Install accessories into the track. Note that accessories need to be installed on both sides of the track. Splicing the door frames. Be careful not to damage the accessories when splicing. Fasten the assembled track. Install the pulley to the upper track first and then assemble it. Pull out the rubber strip on the door frame and make a hole in it. Installation holes need to be drilled on both sides and the top of the door frame. The number of openings depends on the size of the product. Generally, a mounting hole is opened every 30 cm. The upper track needs to be drilled according to the video. Place the assembled door frame in the appropriate position. Use a spirit level to correct the door frame position. Determine the position of the door leaf and fix it. Install the door leaf to the door frame. Please pay attention to the markings on the door leaf before installation. Install the number 1 door leaf into the door frame. Connect the hinges to the door leaf according to the video instructions. Install the second door leaf according to the markings. Put the pulley on the door leaf on the track before fixing. Connect and fix the door leaves. Install the door frame pulley to the door leaf. Install the third door leaf. The door leaf is fixed in the same way. Insert the lock cylinder and connect the door handle. Tighten the screw into the door handle. Check whether the door handle is fixed. Loosen the upper and lower screws when installing the handle on the other side. Tighten the screws on the top and bottom after splicing. Install the lock cylinder. Determine the position of the knocker based on the position of the door handle. Mark the location of the knocker. Install the knocker according to the marked positions.